Good morning, dear students. In this video, I am going to give you the holiday homework, and all that work you have to do on a separate file, not in the computer notebook. So make a separate file for it, right? So here, let us start. Now here we are having our first question. Question number 1 is, give 10 real world software examples. So 10 real world examples you have to give, but in place of this software, write it object, real world objects. Example you have to write any 10. Now here, second question, write 3 characteristics and 2 behavior of the following: cycle, marker, dog and ball. Moving on to third, write a statement to create an object time of a class named as clock. What you have to do is, we are having a class named as clock. You have to make an object named as time. So only in one statement you have to write that how to create the object. Next, what does this statement means? If any example is there, animal, tiger is equal to new animal. So what does this statement mean? Already this one we have discussed in our question answers part also. Next, write the names of 4 principles, OOPS principles, and explain them with the help of example. So any 4 principles you can write, already given in your first chapter. Next, complete the following program. In this this program I have given in the form of your fill up. Okay, so wherever I have put that blank sign, that means something is missing there, and you have to write that missing statement or missing term there. Now question is what? Import. Now here something is missing, you have to identify what is that and you will write it. Same for the next, public, and this is here animal. Animal is the name of class, so what will come before this animal? Write it. After that, here I have put one blank sign. Now this is what system.out.println double quotes. I was not having that much space, so that's why I have shifted this to next line. But it means what? Double quotes. In the same line it continues, tiger, and after that some blank. So what will come here? Next, public, blank, main, blank. Next, animal, again space, something is missing, new animal. Then ob dot, what you will write here. Clear? So that means it's a short program, only something is missing, you need to identify the short missing terms and write it there very carefully. Moving on to next, 7th question, write Java programs to input the following details of a person and print in the order. You have to write one program that will display the details of a particular person. Now what are the details? Here it is name, job title, salary, department, address and phone number. So in that program you will display the detail of a person. First is what? Name. So name means first name and last name, both you will display in a single line. For example, if I say here for example, Aanchal Chauhan, right? So I will display in this way, Aanchal, then some space and then Chauhan, write it. Then next one is what? Job title. So give here job title, for example teacher, job title. Then is what? Salary, write it here. Under which department? Suppose IT department. Okay, then next one is your what? Address, write it here. Address you will mention properly, means what? Like your colony name suppose, then street name, street number, sorry, then lane number you can write, and after that house number also you can write, apartment you can write. That means a proper address you will mention it. Okay. Next is what? Phone number. Now phone number, whatever you will display, you can take any random digits, and the phone number should be of 10 digits or 12 digits. Clear? Next, here one instruction is given, what? Properly make a function, namely display. In this program you have to make a function display in which you will display the details, all the details of a person. and after that you will call that function display using object obj, means inside that same program you will make object obj and call this function. Now this also we have discussed in your chapter 2, right, that how to call it. Next, write a Java program to input a number and check whether it is a single digit or double digit and also print the message accordingly. Now in this question you will take any random number of integer type, okay. Now you need to identify whether it's a single digit or double digit. Now single digits means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9, means you will apply a condition. If that number is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 9, then SOP ln single digit number, ठीक है. In second if condition you will apply again कि if the number is greater than equal to 10 and less than equal to 99, then SOP ln it is a double digit number. Now how you will apply the condition? Condition, as you already know that we have studied it in the 8th standard, and even I have given many programs other than your book. Also I have given extra programs also to you, even in your revision part also. We have at last before the annual exams we done a lot of program, ठीक है. So now you don't ask to me that how to apply the condition. I hope you all remember it, or otherwise if you don't remember then take the help from your 8th class book. In the example this type of question is given, means how to apply the condition, that you can get the help from your book, 8th class book. Next, write a program to input cost price of a pen as 20 and discount percent as 5% and calculate discount price of the pen and print it. Again very simple, you have to take the cost price. So you will take here CP is equal to 20 and the discount percent. So discount percent is equal to, you will not write here 5% because percent sign is not allowed. So you will take only what, 5, right? Sorry. And after that you will apply the formula for discount price. Now in 8th standard I hope you all studied this topic, cost price. From the 6th standard you are studying this topic, profit loss, discount price, MRP and all this. So I hope you all should know the formula for discount price, how you will get it, okay. Or otherwise if you don't know, then in real life you can take the example, like if you go to the market and if you purchase anything suppose of 100 rupees, ठीक है. 100 रुपीज़ पर अगर आपको 5% का डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है तो यानी कि आपको कितने में वो चीज़ मिली, आपको कितने में आप उसको परचेस कर रहे हो, आप उसको निकालिए और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट यू कैन मेक द फॉर्मूला योर सेल्फ इफ़ यू डोंट रिमेंबर, है ना. तो 100 रुपीज़ की चीज़ में अगर आपको 5% का डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, ठीक है, तो कितने का हो गया, यानी कि 5 रुपीज़ का डिस्काउंट हुआ. तो 100 में से 5 रुपीज़ का अगर आपको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, दैट मीन्स योर डिस्काउंट इज़ 5 रुपीज़ एंड यू हैव टू पे व्हाट, ओनली 95 रुपीज़. तो आपको निकालना क्या है, ओनली डिस्काउंट प्राइस. आपको ये नहीं निकालना दैट हाउ मच द कस्टमर हैज़ टू पे, यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट ओनली द डिस्काउंट प्राइस, राइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट, write a program to input the coordinates of 2 points. We have to take the coordinates of 2 points. First point is P1, second point is P2. Now the coordinates of P1 are x1 y1, for P2 x2 y2, and then calculate the distance between 2 points. So इन दोनों के बीच की distance find out करनी है. Here is the formula to calculate distance. Formula is square root of x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. So firstly I would like to discuss this, how you will make the formula for this. So square, in maths you can directly write a square, but can you write it in Java? No, it's not allowed. So how will you write? A multiply by a, यानी कि a asterisk a. In the same way, if I ask you how will you write this x2 minus x1 square, same way. You will not open the formula कि x2 का स्क्वायर प्लस x1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2x1 x2. नो, आपको ओपन नहीं करना है फॉर्मूला को. आपको क्या करना है, इसको सिर्फ एक्सपैंड करना है. ए स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या हुआ कि दैट दिस टर्म इज़ मल्टीप्लाइड 2 टाइम्स. जैसे कि ए स्क्वायर, तो ए इज़ मल्टीप्लाइड 2 टाइम्स, है ना. इन द सेम वे x2 माइनस x1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय यानी कि एस्ट्रिक्स x2 माइनस x1. In the same way you will write for this y2 minus y1. Now inside part is over. Now this is square root. So as you know that we have in the 8th standard we have done how to calculate the square root also. Remember हमने क्वेश्चन किया था एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. रिमेंबर कराया था क्वेश्चन, वहाँ पे भी हमने स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट किया था ना. दैट वाज द फॉर्मूला. इन सेम वे यू विल अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला हियर. सो स्क्वायर रूट के लिए द फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट, मैथ m कैपिटल वेयर मैथ डॉट एस क्यू आर टी ऑफ किसका निकालना है, ऑफ दिस टर्म, और ये हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. डन. नेक्स्ट, write a program to input breadth and height of a parallelogram and calculate its area. Formula is given here. So take two variables, one is breadth, one is height, and one is area, and apply the formula and print the area of it. Okay. 12th, write a program to input radius of a sphere and calculate its volume. So radius of a sphere you will take. Now radius you can take integer type or you can take double type. Okay, and calculate its volume. So see, आप whatever values, whatever variables you will take, you have to identify that which type of variable it will be. Like आपको int में लेना है, float में लेना है, double में लेना है, ये आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि आपको किस type का variable लेना है. Correct? You cannot take all the variables of integer types. It depends on the requirements कि हमें किस type का लेना होता है. So यहाँ पे हमने जो radius लिया हुआ है, radius हम लेंगे and you will apply the formula for what? Volume. Now you need to identify. आप इंट में भी ले सकते हो, आप डबल में भी ले सकते हो, फ्लोट में भी ले सकते हो. क्या आप लोगे, यू डिसाइड इट योर सेल्फ. व्हेन आई विल प्रोवाइड द सॉल्यूशन आई विल एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके. नाउ वॉल्यूम के लिए फॉर्मूला इज ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड है. अप्लाई द वॉल्यूम 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब, वेयर द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज, यू हैव टू यूज द वैल्यू 22/7. So these 12 questions are over now. So this is the holiday homework for you. Try to give your best and do all this work on a separate file. Again I am repeating it. That's all about it for today. Thank you. Enjoy your holidays.